In this video, I'll show you how to create a password-protected folder in Windows 10 or 11. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop, select New, and then click Folder. You can give the folder any name you like. I'll just leave mine as New Folder. Next, move the files you want to protect into this folder. For example, I'll move these two files inside. If I open the folder, you can see the files are now stored there. Now, right-click inside the folder, select New, and then choose Text Document. Double-click the text document to open it. Inside the text document, copy and paste the code. I'll leave this code in the video description so you can copy it as well. Once you've pasted the code, scroll down until you find your password. Replace it with the password you want to use. You can enter any password you like. Next, click File, then Save As. Change Save as type to all files. This step is important. Then name the file protect.bat and click Save. Once it's saved, close Notepad. You'll now see the protect.bat file. You can also delete the original text document since it's no longer needed. Now, double-click the protect.bat file. It will create a new folder called Private. This is the folder that will be password protected. Move your files into the private folder. Then run the protect.bat file again. It will ask if you're sure you want to lock the folder. Type Y and press Enter. As you can see, the private folder has now disappeared. Whenever you want to access your files again, simply double-click the protect.bat file, enter your password, and press Enter. The private folder will reappear, and you'll be able to open it and access your files. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.